Some girls be like, fries before guys, but I'd be like, all foods before dudes. The main point of this episode is to save you time and money. So I'm not going to go through a whole list and bore you with everything that's on sale for your baking needs this holiday season on October 11th and 12th for Amazon Prime Day early access. Number one, I have tons of gluten-free, diabetic-friendly recipes that will not only help you build your body in a healthy, energetic way, but also won't break the bank, okay? So I'm going to put my playlist on the side of all of my recipes that I have so far, and I have a lot more coming. Number two, if you are a low-income family or a single person, then you can get Amazon Prime. Number one, you can get it free. So you can get Amazon Prime free if you put your name and your account on someone else in your household in their account. You can put it on their account and it will be free for you. You can split the bill if you want to, whatever. If you don't want to make a commitment, number one, it's 30 days free. It's $14.95 a month. But if you are low income, then all you have to do is upload a document which shows that you receive SNAP or food stamps or whatever you call it in your state. If you're receiving disability benefits from SSI or SSDI, or if you're a student, a veteran, or an elderly person, you can get Amazon Prime for $6.99 a month. But like I said, your first month is 30 days free. This is a trial period, and you can cancel whenever you want. So you can buy most of the things on Amazon that are food products. If it's sold by Amazon, then generally you can buy it with your SNAP benefits. I'm not putting anything in there that's not SNAP eligible, okay? Everything that I put in my links is SNAP eligible. I lost 250 pounds and overcame drug and alcohol addiction and mental health problems. And I want to help you to become better mentally, emotionally, socially, spiritually, physically, and financially. I want you to build your body and your bank into a healthy, abundant way where you are able to not only serve yourself and be happy yourself, but you are able to have enough money, energy, time, physical capabilities, mental capabilities, spiritual and social capabilities that you can serve other people. So check out all the links to all the SNAP eligible items that are on sale October and 11th and 12th. And make sure that if you don't have Prime and you want to get Prime, you can get it for $6.99 a month if you are a veteran, disabled, receiving SNAP benefits, WIC. You also, if you can receive WIC and you can screenshot that or whatever, and you can get Amazon Prime for 30 days free, and then it's $6.99 a month after that. Be healthy, because health is wealth and you are worth it. My name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. Rock on. Happy holidays early October 11th and 12th on Amazon Prime. I love smiling.
Next time for Amazon Prime, I'm Worth It Inc. TV.
Christmas movie? Comment below. You can get Elf, the movie, and the musical right now for under $6. That's already unboxed. Get A Christmas Story for under...
Watch the next one to find how much.